Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to transform your pair of old raggedy jeans into a denim skirt. So I transformed them into something I could actually wear and be proud of. I only used a pair of scissors and a needle. First we draw a line using a pencil and cut the extra fabric off for easier working. We're gonna remain with the short, or rather something like a boy short, but today we are making a denim skirt actually. The second thing is that I'm cutting along the seam using the pair of scissors. I'm removing some of the extra fabric. Do this on a baggy pair of jeans so that you can have extra space to work on. I then take my ruler and cut along the lines I had drawn using a chalk. Then I saw the ends. Then you can cut off your skirt where you want it to reach. That is it. There are so many tutorials on YouTube like this. That's why I decided to do something like this to show you guys how you can transform old pair of clothes into something you can actually wear. It usually saves money and it is sustainable. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm gonna be doing this more and more. Give it thumbs up. I love